hello there, Jenny. That's just our viewers. Oh, hi guys. Sorry about that. Jenny was trying to kill you guys, but I didn't know it was them. You guys are hopefully alive. Alright, so for this week's video, for today's video, we are going to be drawing. My sister is going to be drawing. I drew the Gryffindor. It's a really cute lion. It sort of looks like Winnie the Pooh, but whatever. It's the Gryffindor lion wrapped around in a Gryffindor scarf. Yeah, so that's super cool. Also, again, Harry Potter trivia. Thank you for Wildman Aiden for commenting the right answer. On last time's video. Right. So, for today's trivia question, who is Bellatrix Lestrange's husband? Many people don't know this. And plus, Bellatrix Lestrange is the best character, my favorite character. She's like the best. She's so badass. And yeah, so comment down below who's her husband. And bonus if you get who she's actually in love with, which is not actually her husband. So yeah, without further ado, let's go right into this video. Do not cast a spell again.
Alright, so you guys can start by drawing the head. The head is sort of like a square with some ears poking out, and it sort of reminds me of Winnie the Pooh, if you know what I mean. After that, you can start by drawing the tuft of hair that pokes out of the face. So it's sort of like a V shape or like an upside down mountain. Now you can start by drawing the scarf. It should be wavy to look like the scarf is very baggy and loose. Now you can start drawing the eyes. The one on the right should be much bigger than the one on the left. They should both be like almond shapes. The nose is just like a tiny flat heart. For the mouth, I'm just going to draw the normal kawaii shape. It's like a flattened W. Now you can start forming the mane of the lion. You can make it whatever shape you want, but I made it and it looks wild, and that's basically what it's supposed to look like. So now you can start drawing the feet. It sort of looks like a bean shape. Now you can draw a curved line up to connect the feet. The hand is just like a U shape poking out of the scarf. The left foot should look very similar to the right foot. Now to draw the inside of the paw, I drew a flat heart, sort of like the nose, and 3 dots. For the tail, you can just draw a line poking out with a tuft of hair on the end of it. Now you can draw in the end of the scarf. Make sure to make it frayed. At this point, you can add in stripes following the curve of the scarf sides. Don't forget to add the stripes at the ends of the scarf too. I'm using a thin Sharpie to trace the drawing. Feel free to pause the video if you are following along. Erase all the pencil marks. To color, I'm using the Prismacolor 72 set. We will be using beige, canary yellow, sienna brown, pink, crimson lake, and crimson red. Alright, you want to start off with sienna brown and start coloring the mane. Make sure to press harder and get a darker color around the face and the ears. Go back in with beige, the lighter color, and blend out all those rough lines. Now go in with Crimson Lake and add the dark shadows to the scarf. around the edges and in the crease that we made earlier. To blend out all those rough lines, go back in with Crimson Red and fill in the white. Going back in with Crimson Lake, I'm going to draw a line in between the stripes. Okay, so now you can go in and finish the rest of the scarf by filling in the stripes with yellow. Now you can go in with beige and color in the skin. Use sienna brown to color in the creases like the bottom of the face. I'm using a size 0.03 lead drawing pen to color in the eyes. Now to add in the highlight of the eyes, I'm using a jelly roll line pen. Now I'm drawing in a tiny pink heart just like all the other animals in Cute. We're done! This is the final product.